guys, welcome back to my channel, where today I am filled with excitement as I am unboxing a stunning package sent by Rosemorning, who is sponsoring today's video. I am going to be showcasing their new mesmerizing new wedding party Floral Arch backdrop that is ready to transform any celebration into a breathtaking floral masterpiece. Visit rosemorning.com to get your hands on this amazing Floral Arch backdrop, and to save, don't forget to enter codes-elegant creators to save off your purchase. Link will be in the description box underneath this video, as well the links to all the items that I've used to put together this amazing masterpiece. Upon receiving my Rosemorning package, I hurry up to Lowe's to grab a couple of items that I'm going to be needing to put together my Floral Arch drapery backdrop. Also, if you like what you see on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted each time I post. Comment your thoughts below, let me know what you think, and share this video with a friend. These flowers look absolutely amazing. I really love the fact that Rosemorning included the Floral Arch frame so that you can assemble your flower runners onto. I think that is amazing. The fact that you won't have to get a separate Floral Arch, but it's also included in the package. That is amazing. First off, I have to say that the Floral Arch is undeniably breathtaking. Let's talk about the quality of this product. The attention to detail in the arrangement is exceptional. The flowers used for the arch decoration is absolutely stunning. The roses look incredibly lifelike. The flowers also is very vibrant, and the arrangement is well made and crafted onto the form. Rosemorning created a beautiful color palette that adds a touch of elegance to any event. The frame itself is sturdy and well built, providing a solid base for the arch. Okay guys, let's get decorating. I'm going to show you all the tools you are going to need to put this floral arch together. You're going to need this 8-foot long piece of wood that you see right here. You're going to need a power drill. You're going to need this drill bit. I believe it's called like a drill bit, so that you're able to drill a hole onto the wood. Next, you're going to need these zip ties, okay? Zip tie for this project is your friend. So make sure you grab yourself loads of zip ties, and not just any zip ties, but you want them to be long and you want them to have some durability. As you can see, I am all done zip tying my long 8-foot rod onto my pipes. To complete this drapery process, you are going to need 2 uprights and 2 crossbars and the hangers to hang the second crossbar. When you are attaching zip tying your lumbar onto your pipes, you want to make sure that you have that space where you can put your hand through underneath it. The reason why you need that extra space on the floor is so when you are doing your drapery, when you are wrapping your drapery around your lumbar, you want to make sure that you have that space to be able to wrap it around. So definitely leave about, I would say about 2 inches or an inch. drapery, you're gonna put it over your first drapery that you attached, and then you're gonna put it under. Okay, so it's like over, under, over, under. Okay? So once you put it over your first, it goes under your second. Okay? And then you have it over your first. So you get that nice crisscross loop like that. And then when you're done, you're gonna tie it all the way to the end. Find it to be very much easier if you assemble your floors first before you put your arch together. You're going to need a lot of zip ties to accomplish this look. I'm not sure how many zip ties you're going to need in total, but just know you're going to need a lot to tie your floral runners onto your arch frame.